Hey guys, it has been a very long time since we have done a YouTube video. Now everyone is trying to feed you AI, but no one is telling you that where you can actually earn from AI itself. So there is a website called as um, Alignerr.com. This website specifically lets you earn money from your AI projects and you can actually train AI models here. Now, let's agree to the terms. I will be using my Google account here since I don't want to use LinkedIn. So this is the actual account sign-in page. As you can see, let's continue with Google. Let's select an email. Okay. Now, you will have to upload your resume here. I have uploaded my demo resume here and I will be continuing with my profile setup here. Next, continue. You will have to add your full name here, your legal full name. Do not add any fake names here unless you will get palm banned from here. So specifically, don't do such like faking your emails. I think you understand. So we close those tabs. Yeah. Now we're good. Let's add our first legal name. My name is Mr. Khalid Budwal. Okay. I have filled my name here. Now select the gender. You can select male, female from here. Since I'm a male, I am choosing male. The date of birth, you can actually put your date of birth here. Let me just stop screen share now and just see it sometime. All right. Then I will be actually entering my birth date here since I don't want to show it. So I will actually fill it without showing the screen. And then you have to put in your number here. Let me share the screen again. All right. You will be putting your number here, your actual number. Like mine is from Bangladesh. I will use the Bangladeshi number here specifically. Now let me just pause the screen share for a moment. Then I will enter my phone here. So my phone number has been added successfully. Now, what I will do is directly select my country. Since I'm living in Bangladesh currently, I select Bangladesh. Your LinkedIn profile. It is manually loaded from your resume usually. So there is it. Continue. Education. Yes. Education is also put from there. Select your languages if not selected already. Preferences. You can add your coding languages. What type of projects are you interested in? Like, I'm interested in coding projects, then engineering projects, and writing. You can also select voice acting if you want to. If you are actually good at voice acting, you can. But now complete the verification here. Yeah, we're in. So as you can see, you can actually lend your voice here to an artificial intelligence. Uh, it is currently reoccurring the Indian English accent here. Okay. Then clinical data strategist, data science expert, and other guy. You can see the payments are really good. Also, no big guru will show you sites like this because they only want to use your brain and make them slow and teach you nonsense things all the time. So let's go again and click it. Put your SOC experience. Okay. SOC operations specialist. We can actually apply from here if we want to. Apply. It automatically uses your resume to apply. So it is a really easy test, right? And it has low competitions. Then AI security analyst. Let's apply on that. Since I have those skills, if you want to, you can also learn those skills and apply here with your resume. Your resume must be it is compliant, and that's it. You can always select your stuff from here. You can edit your resume, you can edit your email, phone number, you can link your GitHub account, you can link your Discord account, and other stuff. You can also do the earnings overview from here and there. This is a fresh account. It is obvious that it haven't started earning yet, and I am showing you this to ensure that y'all can actually play. Now, let's go the home screen. Let's select the coding stuff. I can add projects here also if I want to, but I don't need to do that. Backend developer, adversary, exploitation lead. This one I can apply here. So this is how you actually do it. You don't need to gatekeep the sites. Dear fellow tech gurus, all right, that's enough for today. See y'all in a while. Until then, take care and always follow the zero trust policy. Do not trust on something until you see and verify that it is actually real.